How to go to memories on Snapchat. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go to memories on Snapchat or how to access your memories within the Snapchat app. Without further ado, let's get started. So before we open the Snapchat app, please make sure that it is up to date. If not, go to your app store or just go to your Play Store if you have an Android and update your Snapchat app. Now let's just head on and click on Snapchat right here. And make sure that you're currently on the camera page. And to access your memories on Snapchat, just simply swipe up. Or if that does not work, just click on this button beside the shutter button at the left part. Just click on that. And that will open your memories. So that is how you can basically go to your memories on Snapchat. And you can scroll through here on the pictures, video files, or any other media that you have saved before as memories on Snapchat. So through memories, you can just save any of your snaps from before and just scroll through it when you want to go back in time. And it is also arranged by chronological order, so you can scroll through by month or year and scroll through your memories on Snapchat. Also from this page, you can add stories, organize your snaps, create stories for vacations, your favorite selfies, special events, and more. You can also access your camera roll right here. Just click on that. And you can also set up my eyes only. So setting up my eyes only, you can move your snaps here so that it can only be seen after you enter a my eyes only passcode. So that is basically what you can see on the memories page on Snapchat, and that is how you can go to memories on Snapchat. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.